About this item widely application, the XLR cables are perfectly compatible with equipment, has 3-pin connectors such as microphones, stage lighting, DMX lamps, mixing boards, power amplifiers, studio harmonizers, speakers, patch bays, and so on. In addition, these microphone cables are widely used at stage speakers, club stages, KTV, and home theater. 120 plus ohm impedance. Hi-fi sound quality, no noise, no hum, no hiss. The core of auxiliary link XLR cable 3 feet is 24 AWG oxygen-free all copper conductors. It provides lossless signal transmission, anti-oxidation, and anti-corrosion. The wire shielding layer adopts a double shielding design, foil shielding and inner copper spiral shielding, to keep our wires away from noise and interference. An ideal short XLR cable for you to help your instrument sounds flowing in a clear live nature way. Stable connection. Our microphone cables 3 feet uses heavy-duty zinc alloy housing, pure copper silver plated XLR pins, self-locking male to female connector design. This XLR speaker